Here we are in Pompeii.
This area where we stay today, ladies and gentlemen, was the Basilica. But today Basilica is like a cathedral, like church. But at that time we were not yet Christian, not Catholic. We started to be Christian and Catholic 4th century AD, time of Constantine, Emperor Constantine. But in this area where we stay now was where the court was, okay, the justice, tribunal. And like also today we have Wall Street, was the right place to contact people from Asia, Africa, Orient for business, and also to buy slaves, because 30% of the population Pompeii is slaves. The idea of the basilica, you can see on the park, because this was destroyed with the terrible eruption, okay, and possible to reach up the first level and to go all around. In the middle was open like today, okay. This column go right on the top, like the others, you see, to reach the first level. To make the column, what they use volcanic lava stones, the cement brick, and outside it look like a marble. It's not. It's plaster. It's plaster. Okay. In the middle was open. The style of the column, Ionic style, Corinthian style, mixed Ionic Corinthian, we call composite. Very chic, very elegant. In the middle, you see the cistern here, where they used to collect the raining water, because sometimes 3-4 months, no raining at all, and they need water for the population as well. And to have the water clean, what they used to put inside the cistern, you know, the hills, the river sweet water, because they clean the dust inside, and the water was always clean. Okay? For example, at home, I remember the thing.
Mount Vesuvius.